Welcome back. In this installation of the using Orange Slice screencasting, we're going to show you how to take the rubric we made before and attach it to an assignment and grade students' work. So I'm going to go into my Google Classroom, create a new assignment, and I'm going to attach, using my Google Drive, both the copy of student rubric, copy of school-wide rubric, which is back here, and an assignment of some sort. Add that. And I'll go ahead and add this assignment. You do you when it's time for due dates and classes and students and all of that other stuff. Just the only thing you need to make sure of is that the school-wide rubric, the copy, each student should get their own. So make sure you go to this drop down over here and choose make a copy for each student. I don't care what you do with your assignment. And we'll assign this. All right, so I have an assistant who is working on completing this assignment right now so we can sort of see what it looks like as a student gets done, turns something in, and how we actually grade it. Once again, just as a reminder, the school-wide rubrics are located about 2/3 of the way down the page on the Uxbridge High School website. All right, let's check out and see the work that we've got from our students. Okay. So as you can see, Christina Hearn has made a document, answered the questions, done the project, whatever. So I'm going to go through and grade this and read it and do whatever you need to do. As far as grading it with the rubric that we just had, this will show up in every kid's done work. They don't have to put it there. It's already there because you made a copy for each student. So I'll open the school-wide rubric and let Google do its thing here. I'm going to then use my Orange Slice add-on and score the rubric. Just as a double check in the settings menu, make sure holistic is still checked because this is the one we're working on. And now I need to go and click grades to actually grade this. So I'm going to read through her stuff that she wrote, and I'm going to assign her grades using these checkbox or check dots. This is way better than the stack of rubrics we used to have on the desk, which we'd hand back to the kids and they'd leave or lose. No comments yet. We'll put comments after we process the grade. Google will process and it will highlight in, I think, orange slice, I suppose. And this is the grade that she's earned. I can now go make comments down here. This is my average of the three. Teacher reviewed. She's meeting the standard. I can go down here and make comments, and she will get them because when I return this, okay, she earned a 90. I'll return it. She can go, even though she didn't really submit it, I'll return it to her. She can go and make comments on this rubric. She can't change anything on it, but she can make comments on it. So you can see, oh, there's a new highlighted area here. Something's going on. There's a comment. If I get rid of this orange slice pop-up, she's writing, what can I do to improve? Now, she can make a comment that I can see is a different color, but she can't change any of this information. So now I can say, hey, Christine has an issue with this. Maybe I'll have a conversation with her before tomorrow during Flex. I'll do a Flex assignment or some kind of thing like that. Again, no more rubrics piled up on the desks. No more rubrics handed out to kids. Everything is saved in both your Google Drive and the students. They can see the rubric, but they can't change anything. This is a great resource for our NEASC linking assignments like we learned how to do yesterday, as well as comments that we're going to need at the end of the semester. This will justify why you're putting the student is approaching the standard and not meeting the standard. I think that's about it. This saves in the teacher's Google Drive. If you have a Google Classroom, you have a classroom folder. And now I get to go and look and find and see where it is. And you can see here is Christine Ahern's test number 2. There's her teacher reviewed. It says teacher reviewed, meet the standard rubric. And I can see it. So I can stick this anywhere. Hey, I need to show significant growth, 80%, 50%, whatever you did for your student learning goals. Here you go, submit it, and everyone's nice and happy. And it's Google Drive. It saves automatically. You really can't screw this up. Have fun playing with it. If you have any questions, contact myself or Christine Ahern or Christine Pryor. Enjoy.